Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to teach you how to walk the cup today. First of all, you're going to want your tungsten sticking out, I don't know, probably close to between 1/4 and 1/2 inch. This is going to be personal preference, and it's going to be something that you learn over time. Just stick it somewhere in between there for your first couple rounds, and you'll get used to something that you find that you like better than the other things. The first step is you're going to put your tungsten about 1/8 of an inch to maybe 3/16 of an inch away from your material. And then all you're going to do is you're going to twist your cup in one direction. So right now we're going to twist to the left. We're going to roll. Now we're going to twist it to the right, and then we're going to roll in this direction. So as you twist, you roll, twist, roll, twist, roll. Now, with that being said, it takes time and practice to get good at this motion. It's not something that you're going to get good at in 10 minutes. You might throw a couple of beads down that look really good, and then chances are at some point you're going to throw some down that just don't look very good at all. Now some people like to make tighter steps, more of a wiggling motion. I personally like the looks of large steps. I like to really exaggerate the size of my steps. It requires moving a little bit slower, but in the end it gives a different result as far as looks go. If you guys want to tune in tomorrow for the next video, we're going to cover that. So, back to the basics here. Keep your tungsten about 1/8 inch away from your material. You're going to twist it, roll it, twist it, roll it, twist it, roll it. That's all you're going to do. Guys, you can practice this anywhere, piece of plate, piece of pipe, you name it, you can do it.